Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about objects. There are two types of objects, but today we are going to learn about object literals. It is our part 1. So how to create an object? First we have used here data type to declare a variable. This JS user is a variable. I will uncomment this whole object. Then we have to put here a equal to sign and then curly braces. So first from this column, first everything is called keys, and after that are called values. Meaning these are keys and this is that's its values. So you will not understand like this. So I will make an object myself, then you will understand properly. I will zoom in a little bit. Now here, first of all, I will declare a variable. I will write here const, and then I will write here first object like this, and then I will copy it. And now I will write here equal to sign and then starting and closing curly braces. Here now I have to write like here I will write names. If I will write names, as you can see, there is a cut sign because as you can see when we will study functions, when I will write here functions and full. As you can see here, name is coming automatically. It's meaning it's a part of JavaScript, so we can't use it. JavaScript, it's default use in JavaScript. So we will learn in next videos about functions too. Then you will understand properly. I will cut it. So here we can write names. So here I will now write colon and then I will write here like my name Aryan. Then we have to write here comma. Then we have to write here anything like I will write here age colon 60. No, my age is 13 like this. In one line too we can write object, not like it's not changed. We can write in one line too or like this too. This comma. If I will write like this comma is important. As you can see in this object, this comma is here, meaning second line is started like this. For this purpose, this comma is used. So it's necessary. If you will not add, so error will come. As you can see, error. And this underline meaning error. If I will write commas, as you can see, error is gone. If I will write here now this comma again, and I will write another value. Like we can write here booleans, numbers, arrays, values, all these things. Like email, I will write email anything like a@gmail.com. A random Gmail I have given here, then comma. I will write in short form. In subscript, I will write here. So we can't write here at the rate. We can write here at the rate, but we have to then give it in like string. Like here, I will write quotes, and now as you can see, error is not here. Now here I have to any other I can declare. First of all, if I have just declare one, only one value in key and one value I have declared here, so I will console it. Meaning console.log is used for print in JavaScript. Here I will write this object name here, as you can see. That's why I copied. So to paste here directly. Now when I will print it. How to print? So for printing, in the previous videos, I have teach you how to do. So for printing JavaScript, we have to download Node like this, node.js. When you will search, I have shown you in previous videos too, but I'm showing you again. As you can see, this node is here getting downloaded. It's very important to run JavaScript because JavaScript run on only on Node. Node is to a type of language, you would say. It's very important to run JavaScript. So when it will install, so we will open it and then click next, accept, next, next, and then next, and then here check it automatically install, and then click next and install it, and then click yes, and when it will get installed. As you can see, it's getting a star. To run JavaScript, if we will open the terminal. How to open a terminal? To open the terminal, you have to press Control and there is a button up of the tab. Click it so terminal will close and open. Just like this. I will cut it like this, and then here you have to write node and then the file name like script.json. But until our node is not downloaded, so maybe it will not print as you can see because node is not recognized as you can see. So our node is now finished. Now I will click finish. Now I will, this CMD will open here. Terminal will open. Now press any key like enter, and then now you can cut it peacefully. And now when I will again write node and script.js, so it is not getting print. So I will open the terminal again. I will delete it, and then we will go to CMD, open and then right here node. So if this come node, welcome to node.js version 20.11.1. So it's meaning you have downloaded the latest version of node. And if this come, if it's not come, anything else come, so it's meaning is you really have downloaded the node properly. So now we can easily run our program like node node script.js. So until it's not getting print, because we will read the error the node term. So as you can see, we can use another extension to run extension. When you will search in extensions for, here is extension and here is runner. When you will download run code runner when you will install, so here an icon will come. As you can see this icon, it is used to run the program. If you don't understand the keys shortcuts, you can like this right, and as you can see our terminal is open from this, and there's an issue. So we can do this, that we can open our this again folder, we can open again. So I will write here, I will open the folder again. It was our object. I will open it with code, and now I will print it again. So as you can see our object is printed here. This is called object. So I hope you would have understand how to declare object and print. So we can use many things to, like I will cut it at this object, I will unlock here, uncomment it, and I will print. First, as you can see, this whole object is printed here. So I will open terminal and write node.js, so we will look. I will cut it. Now I will write node script.js. As you can see now, from this writing, node is a like term, and script.js is our file name. Here as you can see. This if you will write in a CMD, so then too it will run. Like I copied here, and here I will open CMD and I have pasted it. So cannot find module. So we have to give path, and if you will give path, so it will run automatically. If I will write here node, then script.js. So script is what I will write script.js. So it's not defined. Look, they are saying the script is not defined because until we didn't have given path. This is called path. So you can go to path folder and change it. Then you can run on CMD too. This terminal and CMD are same. It's just VS Code terminal and CMD is Windows terminal. So there are some properties like console.log J user's full name. Meaning, if we want that whole object we don't want it to print. We want from here any key should print. Like here's full name and full name is here, and its value is Aryan Ali, and this is its key. When I will print it and I will uncomment, and when I will print it, I will go to terminal, and here I will write node.js. So it's very node, and I will write here script.js. Node script.js, and here our full name is here. And now if you want to just adjust our full name, so what we can do, we can use this, and here we have to write like this we can use. But first I will show you example of this dot method, dot name, meaning dot name property, that key should be printed here. I will write here this, and the whole object is printed because of some issue, I think so, because only this name key should be printed here. So you can check in your Windows or laptop if it's working here, because it's an issue. Otherwise, this is the method we can use. So thank you guys in this video only this much. We will meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.